Hello there, cryptographic teachers. We are returned with the most recent news from the streets of blockchain technology, bringing you your favorite crypto gossip columnist. Today, we are going to discuss the possibility of Shiba Inu to break out of its confines and Ethereum's dominance of the market. Grab some popcorn and your wallets, because we are going to talk about everything. What are the chances that we will achieve the moonshot of a joke coin, or that Ethereum will be crowned the king of cryptocurrency? We are going to break it down with a few jokes, some sass, and some phrases that are market smart. Obviously, let's begin with the caution. Simply said, the purpose of this video is to provide you with some general information. It is not intended to be advice of any type, including any kind pertaining to finances or investments. Cryptocurrency is a risky endeavor, folks. Study up on it. Do not simply give in to the fear of missing out, FOMO. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's speak about the dog of the hour, the Shiba Inu. 22% of Shiba's return to the game, a meme coin, or a huge chance could be the answer. When the week began, Shiba Inu was filled with a great deal of excitement, just like your favorite show on Netflix. Beginning with $0, $2, $4, and 0 cents, and then moving back and forth between $0, $2, $9, and 0 cents. Within just 2 days, it skyrocketed by 22%. In what way is this meeting being brought about? Baby, you can make purchases right there and then. Shiba is being purchased by investors like it's the final avocado toast at a crypto lunch. This is a very accurate statement. Considering that open interest barely changed by 2%, it is evident that this is not simply a case of dealers pumping and dumping commodities. During the course of the 2004 hours, the financing rate went from being negative to being positive by 110%. To put it another way, traders in derivatives are forking over additional funds in order to maintain their long bets. There are uplifting energies emanating from every direction. On the other hand, there is more to the story. SHIB is acting like a nice little brother by making use of the additional money that is being brought in by ETH, which is demonstrating its power and bringing in a major amount of money. However, is it possible for SHIB to reach zero? There are 0 cents. First, let's look at it more. There are two formidable teams, Shiba and ETH. On the other hand, Ethereum, the original king of smart contracts, has been having a wonderful time as of late. The price of ETH increased by 13.5% this week, coming back to $3,900 and pulling the entire Ethereum community along with it this time. Who do you believe is coming along for the ride? One of our boys, Shiba, is a very good boy. However, there is a catch. Indeed, you did hear that correctly. It is the proposed policy changes from the new government of President Trump, which is pro-cryptocurrency, that are causing the market to revive. There is a possibility that Paul Atkins will succeed Gary Gensler as the SEC's head coach. The collective sentiment in the cryptocurrency industry has shifted from to yes. Following the inflow of $428 million into the Ethereum Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, in a single day, Ethereum is once again receiving a great deal of attention. When Ethereum ETH was pumping in the past, its community also pumped. Due to the fact that it serves as a massive cap token on Ethereum, Shiba is prepared to ride this wave. Another way to think of it is as the Robin to the Batman that Ethereum creates. There are a great deal more jokes in it. However, there is more to it. The larger trend of joke coins becoming more popular at a time when the cryptocurrency market as a whole is improving is not something that should be ignored. Additionally, Shiba's creators have been giving their environment a greater amount of attention and work. For instance, Shibarium is an effort to take Shiba beyond its current status as a meme token and make it more useful. However, this is not your 2021 Shiba. Rather, it is a more substantial undertaking that aspires to be independent. It is possible that bulls or bears will benefit from Shiba's ascent, 0.0004 cents. Is it possible that Shiba might truly reach zero? Let's get down to business. The bull-bear power BBP indicator has begun to show a positive reading, which indicates that bullish signals are present. It is time to make another purchase. The price of Shiba broke through the middle line of the Keltner channels and headed up to a higher level. This is the terminology used by traders to say, "We look good." Pay close attention to these levels. At 3 cents, which is equivalent to 475 cents, there is resistance. It is possible that Shiba will attempt to reach the moon if you break this. Help is available for a cost of 2,138 cents. We need to take a fresh look at the situation if we fall below this threshold. The potential for Shiba to continue its upward trend is demonstrated by spot purchases and optimistic derivative numbers. Nevertheless, it is important to keep in mind that in the crypto world, nothing can be guaranteed. Caution is advised, and you should make sure that your stop lists are as brief as possible. On the other hand, Shiba is once again attracting the interest of consumers who are on a smaller scale. The fact that people are interested once more is demonstrated by the fact that the number of searches on Google for buy Shiba Inu has increased by 18% in the past week. In many cases, this metric is an effective method for determining the next destination of meme currency. It's all about speed, and Shiba has a lot of it right now at this point in time. Among all the comebacks, Ethereum reigns supreme. Next, let's talk about Ethereum, shall we? Analysts are waiting for Ethereum to accomplish its next significant objective, $5,000 in total. It is true that you did hear that. $500.0. But why are people feeling such a sense of optimism? There is love in institutions. Yet, as of the 11th of December, Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, generated a total of $557 million in revenue. Large financial institutions, such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and others, are purchasing Ethereum as if it were a Thanksgiving meal. How come? Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It is an entire ecosystem that includes decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and now even Layer 2 choices for scalability. For the next 30 days, a total of 78 billion won will be imprisoned. Ethereum continues to have a dominant position in the market with 47% of the market share. Solutions for scaling at the Layer 2 level, such as Arbitrum and Optimism, are currently experiencing a surge in popularity, adding an additional $11 billion. In addition, the economy as a whole is beneficial for ETH. It is anticipated that the Federal Reserve would reduce interest rates, which will result in an increase in the demand for high-risk investments such as cryptocurrency assets. Considering that Ethereum is the second most valued cryptocurrency, it is only natural that it is the focus of public attention. This might go as high as $7,000 by the year 2025, according to some experts. On the other hand, let's not become overly thrilled. No one can be sure of anything when it comes to cryptography. Additionally, the ETH development environment is of assistance in this regard. The upcoming update, known as Cancun Deneb, is anticipated to make Ethereum both more efficient and more secure. These modifications have the potential to attract even more developers and projects to the website, thereby making it even more powerful than it was before. Pay a visit to Shiba with the wild cards of the cryptocurrency world. The amount of tokens that are being burned is increasing. 17 million tokens have been destroyed over the course of the past 2 days. That sounds fantastic, doesn't it? On the contrary, however, in terms of Shiba, that is not even close to being worth $500. On the other hand, joke coins have a certain quality. The fundamental issues are not addressed by them. Friendships and hype are the focus of this. In addition, Shiba's family and friends continue to be resilient. As a result of Trump's support for cryptocurrencies and the fact that the market is expanding, joke coins may experience yet another significant increase. However, let's not overlook the phenomenon of Dogecoin. It is Shiba's primary adversary. While Doge is moving about, Shiba will typically follow him. The rise of Dogecoin has been very modest as of late, which